Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I will show you how to find the power of a number in a Python using just one line of a code. Okay, let's start. And next, I will print 2, 3. This is the one line of code power of a number. Okay, and I save the code and start and I run this code. See, the output will be 8. How it will calculate means it will calculate 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the equals to 8. Okay, and here print is used to the display the output, and 2 is the base of a number, and in the is a power operator in Python. 3 is the power value. Okay, so 2 power 3 means 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. Okay, this is how we calculate the power of a number in Python. And that's it. Thank you so much. Follow my channel for more simple Python programs.